Affiliate Income Secrets. Turbocharge your affiliate earnings with the Affiliate Income AI Prompt List. Unleash your affiliate potential. Are you curious about affiliate marketing, but feeling like you're stuck in a puzzle without all the pieces? Get ready for a game changer that mixes revolutionary AI technology with your own creativity and personal touch. Your personal marketing assistant, the Affiliate Income AI Prompt List. What is the AI Affiliate Income Prompt List? Picture having a friendly expert in your pocket, always ready to offer valuable insights. This expert, fueled by an incredible tool known as ChatGPT, is by your side to assist you in generating fantastic ideas that can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. What's the AI buzz about? Imagine having a collection of powerful words, like sparks of inspiration, that can help you craft engaging posts, write captivating content, and get people enthusiastic about the products you're offering. This is precisely what the Affiliate Income Prompt List offers. A source of ideas that can ignite your marketing efforts and captivate your audience. Supercharge your marketing strategy. Spark your creativity. Picture having an assortment of powerful words at your fingertips, ready to aid you in crafting engaging posts, developing captivating content, and igniting enthusiasm for the products you want to promote. The Affiliate Income Prompt List is a valuable resource that equips you with ideas and prompts to elevate your marketing endeavors and effectively engage your audience. Words that captivate. Ever wished you could write words that make people want to buy? The prompt list is like a writing wizard, helping you describe your products and services in a way that makes everyone want to have what you have to offer. Engage and persuade. Have you ever desired to craft content that effortlessly engages your audience and persuades them to take action? Think of the prompt list as a strategic tool, assisting you in formulating messages that resonate deeply with your target audience and incite a strong desire to acquire your offerings. Make them want to click on your offer. And what about those buttons that say, "Buy now," or "Learn more"? With the prompt list's help, you'll make your CTA buttons so tempting that people just can't resist clicking. Secure your exclusive access. Your path to affiliate excellence begins today when you get your copy of the AI Affiliate Income Prompt List. Think of it as receiving a treasure map that enhances your affiliate earnings through the strategic utilization of digital insights. Get your hands on the free Affiliate Income AI Prompt List by clicking the link in the comments and watch your affiliate income skyrocket. Picture your affiliate dreams skyrocketing with a finely executed marketing campaign, guided by artificial intelligence with the Affiliate Income AI Prompt List. The AI Prompt 51st will propel you toward increased sales and a triumphant journey toward online prosperity. With the Affiliate Income AI Prompt List as your expert companion, you're positioned to propel towards increased sales and remarkable achievements, maximizing your online success along the way. Let's make your affiliate journey one for the books. My AI Affiliate Income Funnel. https://agency2210.myclickfunnels.com/iaffiliate marketing. Click the link below to get your free affiliate income prompt list.